Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the keyboard sound settings in your device Oppo Reno 8 Pro. So if you want to know about the keyboard sound settings, like how you can turn it on or off, you can do so by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn all about the keyboard sound settings in your device.